The pheasant-tailed jacana, Hydrophasianus chirurgus, is a bird species in the family Jacanidae. It breeds in India and Southeast Asia. While generally sedentary within its range, breeding populations from the northern parts, spanning southern China and the Himalayas, migrate to peninsular India and Southeast Asia. It is also resident in Taiwan, where it is considered a threatened species. The species has also been recorded as a vagrant in Australia. They measure approximately 39 to 58 centimeters in length, with the tail accounting for about 25 centimeters. Reported weights range from 113 to 135 grams for males to 205 to 260 grams for the largest females. Pheasant-tailed jacana is a member of the Jacanidae family of wading birds that are readily identifiable by their huge feet and claws that have adapted them well to walk on floating vegetation in shallow lakes. Even though the jacanids can swim, they prefer to walk on floating vegetation. On the nape of the neck of jacanids, there is a patch of brilliant, gleaming gold feathers. The wings are dazzlingly white in flight. Amidst the wetlands of Van Long, Ninh, Binh, a vast expanse of freshwater lagoons and ponds blanketed with lotuses, water lilies, and water hyacinths, the pheasant-tailed jacana stars in one of the bird world's most remarkable stories. Endowed with exceptionally long toes and claws, they tread lightly across floating vegetation without sinking, turning delicate leaves into pathways for foraging, courtship, nesting, and raising their young. During the breeding season, the male jacana proves himself to be one of nature's most devoted fathers. He spends 26 to 28 days diligently incubating the eggs and guiding his brood across the floating greenery. When danger looms, he even tucks his chicks beneath his wings to move them to safety. If the chicks are caught in the open, the male will feign injury, darting erratically to lure predators away, while the young dive and hide beneath the water's surface. There, they remain almost motionless, barely breaking the surface with their beaks to breathe, patiently waiting for the danger to pass completely.